Hi, it's Nick Drew here, and you join us here today in Desford, where I've been really proud to be the first journalist to test drive the new Cat 432 backhoe loader. And I found it a really nice drive, and I've also got product specialist Richard here with me. He's going to take us around and show us some of the features on this new machine. Hi Richard, so tell us a bit about the front of this machine then.
Yeah, thanks Nick. So I noticed you're doing a lot of loader work earlier, and hopefully you saw the power that the machine's got as you're driving into that pile and picking up a lot of material. So we've got a brand new engine in there, the new C3.6 engine.
Yep.
So slightly smaller engine than before, but that's still delivering the same power, same torque densities as before. But we're using less fuel. Smaller engine, less fuel burn. Still got that same power and torque as before, and I hope you really noticed that on the front end.
Yeah, certainly did. So it's going to be a lot of savings on fuel for customers in this. It's going to be
Yeah,
great.
we hope so. We've done a lot of testing here. We've seen savings, and we've had machines out on field follow, and customers have recognised those savings themselves as well. So that's really positive.
Great stuff. Let's go and have a look at the back of the machine. So Richard, tell us a bit about the back end of this new machine.
Okay, so there's not been too much change on the back end of the machine, but I noticed when you're trenching earlier it looked real smooth and nice to operate. We'll talk about those controls when we get inside. A few key points to note though: huge range of work tools. Obviously the backhoe loader, real versatile machine, got a huge range of work tools, and those customers that used to own an F2, those same work tools will fit onto this machine, so they're not going to have to go out and buy a whole host of new work tools. We're seeing a lot of hammer sales at the moment, the brand new B6, B8 Caterpillar hammers. They're going really well with the Caterpillar backhoe loaders. Brilliant.
So just a random question here. One of my contributors on the Diggerman blog Facebook group, he's asked me if there's been any changes to the jack legs. Do you know any wear pads, any changes to that?
No changes at all there. So you can still easily adjust the wear pads as they start to wear and just tighten it up. No changes on the back end.
Brilliant. Right, let's go and have a look inside then. So one thing I noticed when I was driving this machine is that it's really spacious cab. It's slightly bigger than it was before, and there's also some features there which Richard's going to tell us about. Richard, tell us about how the seat moves and how you can use the controls in different positions.
Yeah, definitely. So as you can see, I'm facing towards you at the moment, and the controls are still with me. These brand new seat-mounted controls. They'll turn with you wherever you go, facing the rear, the front. They're always with you. Fully adjustable as well, so we can move them forwards and back to any operator, get in the perfect position for them. Great feature about the controls as well is when you're facing forward, with a press of a button you can operate the back of the machine, and likewise if you've dug a long trench, you need to reposition the machine, you can quickly hold the trigger in, lift the loader bucket, reposition yourself using the boom and the stick, and away you go. We're helping customers be more productive and get the job done quicker than ever before.
And another thing I did notice in this machine is now, like so many modern machines these days, there's a touchscreen pad. Now, you haven't seen that before in these backhoe loaders. Richard, tell us a bit more about your touchscreen pad and what you can do for it.
Yeah, exactly. So you'll see here we've got a brand new industry first touchscreen display in the Caterpillar backhoe loaders, and with that there's many different settings that the operator can go in and change. They can change the response rate of the joysticks, the speed of the hydraulics, to really tune the machine to their preferences or to the job at hand. They can get machine security software in there, many different languages available as well. So we sell the machine across the whole of Europe. As we know, many different countries, many different languages. Operator can go in and set that to their own language and whiz through the display, choose whatever settings they like, really customise the machine to their needs, to whatever job they're completing at the time.
So can it be set for a number of operators or just one at a time, or can it store settings for different drivers?
Yeah, so the security software, we can have 25 different digits.
Yeah.
That can be set to each individual operator. So a large fleet owner,
yeah,
they know who's operating the machine at any time.
Brilliant. There you go folks, that's the new 432 backhoe loader. Full of innovative new ideas, and yeah, I'm looking forward to having another go now. This machine has electro-hydraulic controls. They're quite sensitive, but just as we saw on the next-gen excavators, you do get used to it. So there we have it, the new Cat 432. Really great backhoe loader, full of lots of innovative features. I especially like the touchscreen pad with all the different stuff you can do on it. It's really intuitive and easy to use. And also the seat, the swivel seat with the levers. You can work the machine in all different positions, which is going to be really handy for operators. Another great machine from Cat.